it's okay for you guys to pump it into our homes. This is wastewater.
Fed up residents in Cicero continued demanding answers after heavy rainfall and flooding rocked the region earlier this month. Some contentious moments unfolding in the auditorium as the floor opened to public comment.
This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. But that's the thing. We don't want it in the basements. We like to have it somewhere else.
One woman emotionally pleading with officials for help, saying she never thought something like this would happen. She says her basement was flooded up to her ceiling after spending more than $3,000 on pumps. She says personal items, including her son's military memorabilia, were destroyed. Other residents saying the flooding and sewer backup is not a new issue, telling officials it's long overdue that the town and county develop a plan to improve infrastructure. The town saying it is working on a regional approach to the flooding problem since the current water system is shared with multiple municipalities.
President Dominic has met with state and federal lobbyists to obtain grants for water retention infrastructure.
They also say FEMA will go door to door soon, working with residents to better assess damage reports and collect more specific information to determine whether people are eligible for damage assistance.
Self-insurance and self-responsibility is the end result of all of it. We will do everything we can as the state of Illinois with our partners in Cook and within the city to bring every dime that we can into this community, into this county, to help you with recovery.
During Tuesday's meeting, officials breaking down the impact and response from the July 2nd storm. They estimate more than $200 million in home damages and say an online form for residents and businesses to submit damage reports has already generated nearly 7,000 responses.
We have seen supplemented their routing of sewers line by hiring outside contractors to expedite the removal of rainwater from homes.
As several representatives of the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago were introduced, audible boos could be heard from the crowd. Commissioner Carrie Steele saying the decision to open the water gates is based on water levels, not choosing one community over another, while also pointing fingers at the National Weather Service for not accurately predicting how significant the rainfall would be. She says it was, quote, simply too much stormwater in too little time to get to the MWRD.
It was like draining a swimming pool with a straw.
The interest in Tuesday's meeting so high that several hundred people were unable to get through the doors after the theater hit capacity. Organizers streaming the audio on loudspeakers outside, while inside the room, answers were demanded from residents and even one elected official.
100 persons called me, and they never answered.
Tonight's presentation touched on a variety of topics, including the town's fire response after all of the flooding on July 2nd. They say they plan to make the entire presentation available on their town website in both English and Spanish by tomorrow. Reporting in Cicero, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.